Alright, God bless you. Welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. I remember myself, the great Johnsonkeyz. Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you some very nice left hand chords you can use to accompany your singer. Right, we've always dealt most times with the right hand chords. So today we're going to be using left hand chords. So we're going to be in the key of F. We have a course, we have a lesson on this piano, on this what's it called, channel, that teaches how to play your left hand major scale on every key. So you can check out for that, look out for that, or ask me in the comment section for the link. All right, so it goes like this. So we're gonna use this song. How excellent. All right, sorry. Okay, alright, so before I show you that, I'm going to show you all the chords I use now. I want to quickly introduce you to my intermediate piano course. Yeah, it's a video lesson actually. Most people call it book. It's not a book, it's a video lesson, though it contains a book. Yeah, a PDF, sure. But it's a video lesson, pre-recorded video lessons where I taught all the courses you can see on the screen. I taught all of them in a over 2 hours pre-recorded video class. Standard one, you see the keys, you see the virtual keyboard. And then it comes to that video. So when you pay, you get that video, you get a MIDI file, you get a PDF also that shows the chords on all keys. All right, so it goes for 4,000 naira. For people in Nigeria, it's still going to increase definitely. Then for people overseas, it goes for $12. It might also increase over time. Okay, so if you are interested in this course, check the comment section. My WhatsApp number is there, so you can get it directly. You can buy it directly from me. Or depending on your country, I might give you my store link to buy it from there. And the store link is also on the channel. Check the about page. You can just find it there. Go to the store and then you'll see the cost on the store. All right, so let's get to the lesson of today. So we actually are doing the song How Excellent, right? This piano actually sounds very soft on my fingers. It's really affecting that. Okay, good, better. So we are using just 3, 6, 2, 5, 1 chord. So let me show you the chords I'm using, and I'll show you variations also. So for my 3, I'm playing straight A minor 7 chord, right? Then for your 6, you can do A diminished 7 chord. Then for your 2, basically you can do your G minor 7. So let me call the notes: A, C, E, G for people who are not familiar with that. Then the 6, A, C, E flat and G flat. Then the next chord G, B flat, D and F. That's G minor 7, right? Then B flat major 7 flat 5. That's for 5, which is a B flat, D, E and A, right? So and then most times I go to F13, which is A, C, D and G. Okay, so one more time, let me play that for you. So some other variations I might use I can still maintain my 3 like this. So for my 6, I can actually do a rootless 6. So for 6, I can actually do your 5, your flattened 7th, minor 2, and then your what's it called, 11. So you can do your 11 also. So we have all right. So this chord is this is a C, E flat, G flat, and then what's it called, and then B flat, right? So that's a chord. So you can do that for your 6. So your excellent is your name. You can actually do B flat major 7 for your 2 also. Then you maintain the B flat major 7 flat 5 for your 5 chord, which is B flat, D, E, and A. I guess I called that the other time. Then you can, instead of going back to your A minor for your 1 again or your 3, you know, it's either 1 or 3 chord substitution. We have that on our website. So so you can, instead of doing the 1 back or the 3, you can actually do your rootless 1, which is your 1, 5, 13, and then your 9. Right. So that's for excellent. Let's go. Excellent is your name. Oh Lord. How excellent is your name. How excellent is your name. Right? Okay, how excellent. So if you want to get more of this, you should get my intermediate piano course. Some of these other stuffs are there and you will learn them. You learn a lot of stuff. You learn different types of major 7 chords, different type of 7th chords rather, that you can actually build up. I mean, diminished 7 chord, a lot of chords you might not really be using before, or even if you know them, you might have not learned how to apply them. So you're gonna learn all those on the web, on the what's it called, on the new course, right? So I'm expecting on my inbox. God bless you.